Hello, welcome viewers, welcome to my channel once again. Uh, yes, a lot of people would have known how to do this. Sometimes one or two people would have forgotten how to do this. I'm going to just go through how to change your page name, your Facebook page name, just in case you forget how to do it. You know, there is a lot of things you know how to do. Sometimes you might just forget, and because so many things on the head. So it's simple. You are in your page, as if it's your page. I don't want to change it, but I might have to just change it, or because of for the purpose of this video. This is the page we are here now. Let's see. Okay, we're going to be using let's use this page. I'll go to from here you go to setting. Okay, there's the okay, we have our setting, privacy. Okay, here I have different pages here on that I manage. This is one of them, and privacy setting. That you go to setting. From setting, then I think by the left here depends on if you are using. I'm using the computer now, so you can see my mouse, and I think the phone is not really different from this. If you are using the cell phone, going to even if it's an iPhone uh, or the Android phone. So the simple fact is this: it's simple. You don't have to go to look for anything. Most times you see page setting, page setting. So you click on the page setting. It gives you you can see the name appears here. Look at it. The name appear here. From here you go from there, access page, and so many things. But from here you just click view. As you click view, give you option, then you click page. That's it. So from here, you go from here and just check your play, do your thing, and you have a new name. The only thing is as it's written here, it's still here. If you have changed your page on Facebook, you can't change it in again in another 60 days. That's just is the rule. That's the rule. You have to wait for another 60 days before you can change your page name. And it's easy. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for following me on Facebook. Share